Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Friday as we're clearly testing extremely important levels right now. Sticking onto this 200-day moving average with yesterday and the day before that's daily candle, we've yet to see a full daily candle close below this 200-day. So I think this is an extremely important time right now for Bitcoin because a lot of people are saying that we're going to see some downside. And so there's certainly a downside scenario on the table if we get a full confirmation below this 200-day at 48,000 right now. However, I think that the scenario of us holding the 200-day is certainly still on the table. Maybe it's less likely now that we're testing a major support rather than we were above 49,700. But this is why this is going to be the most important 24 hours with this new daily candle. At some point or another, if we stay below this 200-day at 48,000, we could potentially see a free fall down to the $38,000 level. And I say that because we've come to 44,800 twice already. And for us to test this level a third time, a third knock on the door, will potentially open that door to lower levels now that the order books have been cleared. And it looks like there's a lot of areas of confluence here, the $38,000 level, for us to find support, knowing the fact that we have already tested 41,950, which is the only major support level below 44,800. And so this is a very crucial time for Bitcoin. A lot of coins are at crucial support levels, as we all know. If we look at the altcoin markets, you even go into Ethereum, the leading altcoin indicator, testing 3650, a major zone here between 3454 and 3650. I know some analysts have $2,000 price targets, $2,500 price targets if there's a potential downside scenario. If 3454 opens up, that actually opens up a door to potentially test 1980 here for Ethereum. So it's a very important range of support that we're currently sitting at for Ethereum. Would I say that we're currently in a bear market? I would say that Ethereum being above its 200-day moving average, the total market cap being above its 200-day moving average, still, we can't really consider this a bear market just yet. But if we're going to be entering a bear market, I think we're going to find that out here very soon. The 200-day for the total market cap has also been a very big level. We came and tested it one time, and we haven't come back down to test this level. But Bitcoin being at a major level just below its 200-day moving average, if we see any price action to the downside, the likelihood that the total market cap can fall below that 200-day moving average comes on the table. But we're at an extremely important area. It's a very interesting end of the year for Bitcoin. People are asking if this is a good time to buy. I think that dollar cost averaging positions at the 200-day moving average is never a bad idea for an asset that you plan to hold for over 5 years. We're in that area. We're in that zone right now as we speak. And so is there a potential that we could be seeing some upside here? The S&P 500 is still at new all-time highs. I know a lot of individual small and mid caps aren't doing as well, but the indices are doing well. I think the upside scenario is still on the table personally because we have yet to see full candles below the 200-day, indicating that there's still some bulls in the battles and they haven't yet lost the war. And I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below for those tuned into the Snipers channel. When it comes to traditional markets, I do want to mention gold is starting to move up a little bit. It's above all its daily moving averages. If we see some strength with gold, that can indicate some fear coming into traditional markets, but oil doing very well, back above all of its daily moving averages, correlated to the total market cap. And the total market cap, when it came to test the 100-day like oil did, got rejected. Oil didn't. Is that a puzzle piece that this could just be a fake out operation? I definitely think that we're going to be getting an answer here very soon, with Bitcoin between 49,700 and 44,800, right at the midpoint of the range, as I always say here on the Snipers channel. There has to be some volatility here coming at the 200-day moving average. We're going to see it one of these days. It's going to be interesting as we follow the Bitcoin price here on the Snipers channel. I appreciate each and every one of you tuned into the channel. I couldn't do this without you. Remember to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And with that, thank you all for tuning into the Snipers channel today. I wish you all a very happy new year. It's going to be an amazing 2022 for the cryptocurrency market, despite all of the madness out in the traditional markets and things of that nature. I think that the cryptocurrency market is going to be very healthy in 2022, regardless of what type of market we're in. And with that, thank you all for tuning in today. Until next time, Snipers out.